February is a lovely time to put in a little more oomph into your home. You can put a little more effort into the task and get a beautiful, cozy living space you love to come home to at the end of the day. Here's a handy checklist of home improvement tasks to give your living space some love this February. Number 1. Clean entryways, sidewalks, and driveway. Dust and grime at entryways, sidewalks, and driveway of your home may have piled up after the last few months. Schedule a general cleanup to get the feeling of a fresh start to the year and a look into spring. Number 2. Clean the dryer vents and housing. A dryer vent that is dirty and not maintained can cause functional issues and potential fire hazards. Keep dryer vents clean from dirt, lint, and debris by regularly brushing, vacuuming, and sweeping. Number 3. Give your mattress some love. How sufficient and sound you sleep has a lot to do with having a good mattress. Keep your bed mattress in shape by flipping and rotating regularly, and prevent bacteria and harmful allergens by using a mattress cover. Number 4. Put up flower decors. A well-put-together flower arrangement or decorations in your home can reduce stress and tension. It helps to give out positive vibes and promotes peaceful relaxation for you, your family, and your guests. These are some simple home improvement tasks you can tackle to give your home a lovely lift this February.